Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use tags in Microsoft Word. So you want to add tags so Microsoft Word documents more easily find and locate documents. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then go down and select Info on the left panel here. On the right side, you want to go underneath where it says Properties over here on the right. And we want to add tags, you just click on the add tag field. And there you go. You just would add tags. You could do a little comma next to them to add various tags, different words you want to add as tags. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.